Chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Today topic discuss chromosomal disorder. What is chromosomal disorders? The chromosomal disorders on the other hand are caused due to absence of excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Means this is a chromosomes. One chromosome, second chromosome, third chromosome, fourth and fifth. This type of chromosome ATGCU for abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes absence. It is called chromosomal disorder. Failure to segregation of chromatids during the cell division. Cell division means one cells to divide to two cells to divide to four cell divide to 8 to 16, 16 to 32. Cell division cycle results in the gain of loss of a chromosomes means S. Loss of chromosomes S is also known as aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome. Down syndrome results in the gain of extra copy of chromosomes 21. This is an extra additional copy of chromosome 21. It is a Down syndrome means aneuploidy, and Turner syndrome means loss of X chromosome means absence of X chromosomes. It is a Turner syndrome. Clear? Turner syndrome means loss of X chromosomes. In human females, failure of cytokinins after telophase. Telophase means monophase, telophase, anaphase. This phase for cell division. Clear? As stage of cell division results in the increase of whole cell chromosomes in an organism, and this phenomenon is also known as polyploidy. Means whole cells increase the number of chromosomes of organism. It is called polyploidy. The condition is often seen in plants. For example, for male and female, tall stature with feminist character and short stature underdeveloped feminine character. Means this figure first is a Klinefelter syndrome. This figure is a Klinefelter syndrome. Clear? And second figure is a Turner syndrome. The total number of chromosomes in a human cells for 46. 46 chromosomes present in human means 23 pairs. Out of these 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of chromosomes are sex chromosomes. 23 base pair is present, but only one chromosome, it is a XY. Clear? Sometimes, though rarely, either additional copy of chromosome may be included in an individual, or individual may lack one or any one pair chromosomes. This situation means 3 means trisomy, 1 means monosomy of a chromosomes. Respectively, such situation leads to very serious consequence for Down syndrome, second Turner syndrome, and third Klinefelter syndrome. It is an example of chromosomal disorder. First discuss Down syndrome. Down syndrome means additional copy of the chromosome number 21 means trisomy 21. Klinefelter syndrome means genetic disorder also caused X chromosomes only copy. And Turner syndrome means absence of one of X chromosomes. Clear? Means 45. Down syndromes. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of additional copy of chromosome, means additional copy of chromosome number 21. It is a trisomy. This disorder first described by Langdon Down in 1866. It is called Down syndrome. The affected individuals is short statured with symptoms of small round head, small round head. For example, furrowed tongue, not perfect tongue, means partly open mouth, palm is broad with characteristic of palm crest, and physical, psychomotor, mentally development is retarded. These are symptoms of Down syndrome. Second, Klinefelter syndrome means this genetic disorder caused due to presence of an additional copy of X chromosome resulting into karyotype. Karyotype means 147 means extra one gene. Male chromosome means XY, female chromosome means XX. Extra chromosome means X. This is XXY, 47 base pair. Extra all in human chromosome 46 chromosome, but in Klinefelter syndrome 47 chromosome. It is XXY. Such an individual has overall masculine development, means observed only male, but character observed in male for female. However, the feminine development of breast, means gynecomastia, is also expressed. This is a figure male but observe only female character. It is also called Klinefelter syndrome. Turner syndrome. Such a disorder caused to the absence of X chromosomes. Absence of X chromosomes mean female chromosome XX and absence of X means only X0 chromosomes. X0 chromosomes, it is a loss of one chromosome, it is a 45. Turner syndrome. Such female are sterile as ovaries are rudimentary beside other features including lack of the other secondary sexual character, means short stature, underdeveloped, and feminine character, means this is a symptoms only female but observed symptoms for male. Down syndrome means chromosomal number of 21 is a trisomy of 21. Disorder of Langdon Down 80 in 66 is called Down syndrome. Symptoms of small round head, furrowed tongue, partly open mouth, palm is broad, palm crest, physically psychomotor, and mentally disturbed patient. Klinefelter syndrome only 47. Extra chromosome mean XXY for male. Observe only for female character. Klinefelter syndrome. And Turner syndrome 45 with X0. Such female are sterile as ovary and rudimentary beside other features including lack of other secondary sexual character is called Turner syndrome. Means Klinefelter syndrome 47 and extra chromosome XXY. and Turner syndrome 45x0. Clear? Means one chromosome add, Klinefelter syndrome, and one chromosome is absence for Turner's syndrome.